you doing? Since I am the crazy cat lady, and you've met Bambi, meow, we're making a crazy cat drink, meow. So you're gonna take a shaker, fill it with ice, 3 ounces of spiced rum. That's 1.5. Now I'm gonna measure this one very carefully. We don't want to get too crazy. Right? You're gonna take 3 ounces of coconut rum. Make you want to hear some music from the islands. 1.5. Woo. This gonna knock you plumb crazy right here. A splash of soda. 2 splashes of cranberry juice. We're gonna shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. And we're gonna pour it into our nice glass. Oh, that's pretty and pink, just like my hair. And garnish with a cherry. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? You know what, I think that needs to be sampled. It's so pretty. I can't handle my liquor.